Want to speak real Italian from your first lesson? Sign up for your free lifetime account at ItalianPod101.com.
Hi everyone, welcome back to Italian Pod 101. My name is Daisy. Mi chiamo Daisy. Mi chiamo Daisy. And in this video we're gonna talk about a really important Italian verb. Fare. To do or to make. Fare. Fare. As I said already, this is a very important verb because we use it to express the idea of making, of doing something, but way more than the actual do, to do verb in English, okay? First of all, let's say that it's an irregular verb and it goes like this. Io faccio, tu fai, lui fa, noi facciamo, voi fate. Be careful here because voi facete is a really common mistake. Voi fate, loro fanno. Io faccio, tu fai, lui fa, noi facciamo, voi fate, loro fanno. That being said, let's look at some expressions together. It is used with weather. So, it is called fa freddo. Impersonal use, so there is no actual subject, just the verb, third person singular, fa freddo. It's cold. It does cold. It makes cold, literally. Fa freddo or fa caldo. It's hot. And even just to ask about weather, che tempo fa lì? How's the weather over there? So, it's used with weather expressions, but also with meals. I know it's basically unrelated, but we use the verb fare with a lot of things. And meals are, as you know, very important for Italians, so you better know these expressions too. For example, faccio colazione alle 8. I have breakfast at 8. A che ora fai pranzo? What time do you have lunch? A che ora fai pranzo? Domani facciamo cena insieme? Tomorrow, will we have dinner together? Let's have dinner together tomorrow. Facciamo cena. Also related to eating and the expression fare da mangiare. So to make something to eat. Also known as to cook, cucinare, right? But it's as common as cucinare. Actually, I would say even more. Venerdì sera faccio da mangiare io. Friday night I'll cook. It's not true. I'm not a good cook. General temporal expressions too are something that we express through the verb fare. For example, faccio tardi. I'm late. I'm calling you. Scusa, stasera faccio tardi. I'm sorry, tonight I'm late. On the contrary, fare in fretta. Faccio più in fretta che posso. I'll be the quickest as I can be. Fare più in fretta possibile. So, make it as quick as possible. Fare in fretta. Fare tardi. To be late. And like this, fare is used in place of many other verbs. Of course, you can use the proper one, but fare is the most common one, so be ready to hear that a lot. For example, you can either say comprare un biglietto, so to buy a ticket, but we also say fare il biglietto, fare un biglietto. So you make it, basically. Fare il biglietto. Ho fatto il biglietto per il treno delle 5. I got the ticket for the train at 5. Ho fatto il biglietto. Past form of fare. Fatto. Ho fatto il biglietto. Ho fatto una foto. I took a picture. Take a picture, it's supposed to be scattare una foto, but believe me, fare una foto is way more common. Ho fatto una foto al gatto. I took a picture of the cat. Dai, facciamo una foto. Come on, let's take a picture. Facciamo una foto. Some others include fare un viaggio, to take a trip. Fare una domanda, to have a question. Or fare la spesa, just go for groceries. Fare la fila, or la coda, so to queue in a line. Also fare la valigia, to pack. Of course, you're not making the luggage itself, you're putting things into, right? I'd say that most of times it's kind of like to have or to take, like to have lunch, fare pranzo, or take a picture, fare una foto, but even more than that. So remember as many as you can and be ready to hear fare a lot. Let me know in the comments a che ora fate colazione di solito. What time do you usually have breakfast? A che ora fate colazione di solito? Grazie mille. Thank you so much for watching. Remember to like and subscribe if you haven't. And if you want to learn more expressions to use in your daily life in Italian, just click the link in the description and download our PDF lessons. I'll see you soon in the next video. Ciao ciao. Bye bye.